Albert, what are you doing? Have you done with your assignment?
Not yet.
What is that? Homework or test?
It's a test.
Okay, focus and do it now.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. I forgot. But it's in the book.
Come on, Albert. Just open it.
No. It's in my mind. It's in my mind.
Don't you want to get a good score for your test? Come on. Just open it. Open your book. That's on page 21. Remember? Come on. Open it.
No. I knew it. Number 2 is...
Come on. Just open it. Nobody saw you.
Number 3.
Alright, so kids, you just saw what your friend Albert did, right? Do you think it's right or wrong what he just did before? Well, of course it's wrong, alright? It's not right because what he just did is cheating. So when he tried to do his science test before, he didn't know how to answer one of the questions. But then he listened to the voice, right, that says, come on, just look at the book, something like that, right? At first he said, no, I will not look at the book. But then finally he decided to look at the book and he cheated. If you remember, that it's almost the same with what happened in the Bible, right? If you remember the story of Jesus when he was tempted, when he was fasting, and then he was tempted by the Satan. So it's just the same like that. So what he heard, what Albert just heard, is the voice of the Satan, not his own voice, but it's the voice of the Satan that tried to tempt him to do the wrong thing. But let's look at what Jesus did. When he was tempted, did he follow the voice of the Satan? No, because he knew it was wrong. So he decided, no, I will not follow what the Satan said. All right. So because it says also in the Bible, it's written in the book of Matthew, chapter 4, verse 4. Jesus answered, it is written, man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God. So we don't just live yet with the bread, with the food, but also with the Bible, with the Word of God. And what we hear from the Word of God, we should apply it. We all know that cheating is wrong. Even though no one is looking. Albert was alone. His mom was not around. His mom was doing some chores probably. So he knew that he was all alone, so he tried to cheat. But actually, yeah, he was not alone. And we want to learn that although you are alone, nobody's looking, your teacher is not around, your parents are not around, we still want to do what is the right thing to do. It's called integrity. Doing what is the right thing, even though no one is looking. Well, actually, God is looking at you, right? Even though no one is around, but there is still God. But you want to learn to have this integrity. So if you have a quiz, if you have a test from your teacher, and you have to do it alone at home, or probably your parents are around, or probably your tutor is around, and maybe they want to help you, or maybe you want to ask for their help, you can easily just ask for their help, or you can just easily open the book. But remember, it's not the right thing to do because it's cheating. Remember what you want to learn from what Jesus did. Yeah? When he was tempted, he said no because he knew it was wrong. Alright, so we want to learn. If we know it's wrong, and even though no one is there, no one is looking, we still want to do the right thing. Okay, let's have this integrity character. Okay, students? Alright.